Hello and welcome back to my channel. Today another video about the Shaper Origin. Look what I made with the Shaper Origin. A little tray to put some nachos in it and serve it nice to your guests, right? So I took my Shaper and I just, with a bottom cleaning router bit, I just removed all this material. I took it like that and went like this, and then suddenly, oh no! The Shaper drops off the cliff into this, and so it's not possible. The base of the Shaper Origin is too small compared to the size of what I want to remove, of the pocket cut I want to cut based on the size of this base. And so, how did I do that? How did I still cut out this pocket cut if the base is too small? And that's actually pretty easy. And if you use normal standard routers, you might know that trick already. And I want to show you. On the Shaper Origin, on the bottom, you have two screw holes here and here. And these are for the size of an M5 screw, like this. And I'll leave some links in the description in case you want to buy some of those. So that's those small screws here, and these screws, you can put them in here. That means you can attach something to the base of your Shaper to enlarge the base to prevent your Shaper from dropping onto the cliff. And so, how did I do that? I'll show you. You can take a board, any board, a stable board, as thin as possible. Here, I took a board that was lying around. It's not ideal, maybe MDF would be better, because just like plainer. This is like a natural board, but it doesn't matter, it just was laying around. And then you cut two holes for the base of your Shaper and a large hole where the router goes through. You see that I have two holes here. That's just because I screwed up, and when I made the template for the Shaper Origin, I misplaced the hole, and so I had to redo it. So that's why there's two, but it doesn't matter here. I am leaving a link to the SVG file with the template, so you can cut that for yourself. You need to pay attention to the screw hole, because yes, M5 is the size. Well, M5 is the size for the screw hole. Your head for the screw might be of a different size. So you need to pay attention what size you need there, so your head disappears into the board. So once you have that, you will have an extended base. This is really large here. You can make it obviously smaller depending on what you need. The larger it gets, the more clunky it is to move your Shaper around. And then you have an extended base where you can actually remove all that material and cut large pocket cuts. And that's obviously convenient. One thing to have in mind is that the thicker you make the board, the more cut height you lose, because you have like a maximum cut height of about 4 centimeters with the Shaper Origin without an extension. So if you take 1 centimeter of thickness, then you lose that centimeter for cutting, except if you have a really long router bit, which then you can compensate for that loss. And I have a video showing how to do that. So that's it. It's like a very simple, small video showing you how you can expand the base of your Shaper Origin. I hope you found this useful. And if yes, don't forget to give me a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel, and see you around.